Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this color inversion problem in Honor Pad X8. If you're facing this type of problem, like every app has is like black or something in other color, how you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start. First, go to settings option, then swipe down. You can see there is a accessibility feature. Just click on it. You can see there is accessibility. Just click on it, and friends, you can see there is a color inversion may affect performance. Just disable this and your tab, yeah, the colors are gone and it is in default mode. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. I'll see you next time.